What up, what up, what up, what up? We live. Let me fix my screen. Let me see something. How the hell did I lose a subscriber, bro? That's whack, man. Let me fix my screen right quick. We were gonna get NoremTrades on here today, but we had an issue getting the stream set up. We're gonna have to work on that. I had 60 subscribers last night, and now I got 59. So someone unsubscribed. That's some whack shit. Literally gained like 3 subs yesterday. It's all good though. All good. We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. So that's good. Damn, that's whack, bro. That's so whack. That's whack, man. I don't know why they did me like that, bro. Let me set out. Nothing too crazy on the data list today. Let me turn on my other computer and we're ready to rock and roll. So I should at least be streaming till like 11 today. My kids are coming down early around 11. I'm going to try to get them situated when they get here. Maybe stream for an extra half hour, 45 minutes hopefully. So we'll see. We're about to pull up the charts. All right. Pulling up the charts right now, right now, right now. Hook up my charger. If anyone's here yet, I appreciate y'all being here. We're gonna mark our levels. We had a great day yesterday. We had like a 300% trade on SPY. SPY's only down 0.20%. Okay, let's mark these levels real quick. Shoot, what's that? Is that today? Okay. So it looks like some good resistance right here on SPY. This looks like the pre-market low right here. Okay, that's done. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's do Google as well. And these levels, if you do the horizontal line, it goes all the way through the chart, so they'll be there on the chart next time, and you can also use them. Man, we were at 60 subs, bro, and someone unsubbed last night. That's whack, man. That's so whack. Some days we don't gain any subs, and some days we gain like 3, 4, 5, which is crazy. I'm gonna really watch AMD today. AMD has been relatively strong, so I would love to catch AMD. We're gonna be careful today. It is Friday. Try not to overtrade. Last Friday, once I got off the stream, I took a bad trade after getting off, and it just wasn't good. So. Delete that one. All right, what else? What else we got? I don't feel like messing with IWM today. Roblox ain't doing nothing. So we got Qs, SPY, Google, AMD. I don't even need Rivian on my chart anymore. What else? We'll do Tesla just for the hell of it, and then we got 2 minutes till open. Always make sure you're on the right date when you come over here to mark these levels. Like I said, I was gonna have multiple trades on today, but like to do the stream on OBS and add somebody and then try to get the screen on there, it's just a pain. So I have to try to mess with StreamYard. All right, we're on SPY, Google Qs, AMD. Let's delete Marvel. We don't need that in there. Okay. Let me open up my account so we're set on that for the day. How the hell do I forget how I used to open my account. We get the options. I mainly just buy contracts on my phone. I really don't trade on my computer. I use my computer to chart. What the hell is this? Okay. We're going to be patient for a few minutes today. Get my accounts open. I appreciate everyone who subscribed, anyone who's new here. We got a bunch of cool videos to help you out if you're a new trader. I'm going to start trying to stream on TikTok and Twitch as well. So yesterday with Powell speaking, he made it very clear that another rate hike is likely as they get inflation back down 2%. Tesla earnings were terrible. Tesla bringing market down. Wow, we're at 425 already. Shit. I had a 424 put yesterday. Watch for bulls to push for 430 if they can't do anything with it, maybe get to 422, 420 today. So let's keep our eye out on that. Um, let's see what my 424 put would have been worth. Oh wow, it's down today? Huh. Alright, we got everything ready. Can't believe we really got a subscriber left, bro. Alright, it is what it is. That Saints Jaguars game was pretty nice last night. Alright, we're locked in, we're ready. We're watching. Like I said, I'll be on here probably at least till 11, hopefully till 11:30, 12 maybe. My kids are coming down this morning, so I'll have to get them situated. All right, let's be careful. Let's practice risk management. Let's practice discipline. Let's have fun. Have a great morning. Look for an A+ setup. Damn dog already. Anytime dog barks, I mute up, guys. Roblox still has yet to fill that gap. Huge gap right here. They do have earnings soon. That could be when it happens. So for new traders out there, you get your levels from support and resistance, and you can have your pre-market levels, and you could have yesterday's low, yesterday's high, and then there's just yesterday's pre-market levels. You could throw some pivot points on here, all types of stuff. So I might short spy if we get a nice run up to pre-market high. Let's check the RSI MACD. Jesus, chart looks insane. RSI is at 41. That's on 1 minute. MACD. Let's get to the daily. RSI is at 40, so that's not bad. Getting to be oversold a little bit. 4 hour, 30, 39. 1 hour. Right at the 30 level. Okay, so that's not bad. Wow. I'd be surprised if they run SPY up today. Still red on the day, SPY is. Ready for some football this weekend. Ravens, Lions. Coffee tastes weird today. If anyone drops by the chat, just drop some tickers in the chat. We can look at any stock you want, any questions, whatever. Just say what's up. Um, oh, AMD. I forgot about AMD. Above pre-market high now. Where was that move? Damn it! Right at pre-market low. Shit. It's a $2 move on AMD, just like that. Oh man. SPY's going red at the moment, and AMD's still got a green candle, so some relative strength on AMD, as well as it being up $1 today and SPY being down. Damn, bro. That would have been a perfect trade. Love trading AMD. I got 3, 4, 5 stocks I trade, and that's about it. SPY, Qs, AMD, IWM. Um, what else? Once in a while, Tesla. We called AMD yesterday as well for like 57%, and then the day before I wasn't streaming. I was in the car and I called AMD for 60%. We're gonna get some guests on here next couple of weeks. I just gotta figure out the stream situation. That's all. I might have to go through StreamYard instead of OBS Studio. Look at AMD. This was a perfect trade right here. Right here off pre-market low. relative strength because look at it. It's up $1.50 and SPY's down. Now SPY's almost green. Wow. Alright, SPY approaching pre-market high. Look for rejection there. If we get above pre-market high and we start to go, I mean, we could trend up to 430 today. I haven't taken a trade yet. Yesterday was a really great day. We're just gonna stay patient. I'm gonna look for something here in a minute, but I'm not pressed to take anything. It's Friday. We want to end the week great. Keep our confidence high. Keep our energy high. Keep our momentum high. So I have like a 93% win rate. Humbly, thankfully, all glory be to God. Since I started trading on live, I think it's been 3 weeks now. Is this the third week? Yeah, it was. So yesterday I took 4 more trades. So there's one loss. I think my record on here is with call outs alive is like 27-4 or 27-5. Something like that. Let me write that down. Anyone wants me to check out a stock, just drop the ticker, say what's up. We can talk about whatever you want. If you have any questions. So one day here soon too. I did a giveaway a little while ago, small. I'm going to do another giveaway. We're going to give away whatever profits we make that day. If we make any profits that day, it could be $40, it could be 150, it could be 300, 400. So we'll probably do that in a week or so, maybe a week or two. Watching SPY right here. Like I said earlier, Powell basically told everybody there's going to be another rate hike yesterday. Sent the market down. We literally caught the top, well, we caught the bottom almost yesterday. Let's get a 5-minute chart. So when that data came out, when Powell was speaking, it was insane. It just run up. So we got calls, and then things ran up crazy. For 32, yep. So we had calls down here. It was choppy all morning. We took calls. I just had a feeling SPY was going to run up. And we actually took profit somewhere around 432.50. This dog's barking. Let me mute for 1 second. Took profit around 432.50, man, and then I looked at my chart 10 minutes later. I was on my phone and I saw this nasty sell-off. I mean, look at that. 432.50 down to 427. Ran back up again, which is pretty insane, and then just to go back down further. So that's pretty crazy yesterday. And now we are sitting down here. Let me get back to the 1-minute chart. AMD is still hanging out up here. I would not short AMD because it's strong today. Like, look at that. Look at SPY and look at AMD. Let's go check NVIDIA. Let's put a couple of levels on NVIDIA. Why not? I have a video on how to identify pre-market low and high. It's very simple. I have other videos of where to get, so to find out any data that's about to happen, because if you're in a position and there's data coming out, like, you could literally get torched. You could blow everything, or make a lot of money. So we use tradingeconomics.com. I have a video on that. You just go to countries, select United States, then save, and then you're good. And the United States data will pop up. I have to mute up this dog 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. Once in a while the dog barks, and then I gotta mute up. It's a pain. Um, my kids actually aren't coming till about 1 o'clock today, so I'll be on here for a good bit. Man, AMD was beautiful, bro. Look at that. Uh, let's look at AMD contracts. Damn it. I love trading AMD. It's one stock I really like. So say 105 calls are at $41. Okay. They're up 400% from low a day at $10. This could be a double bottom. Um, see what SPY's trying to do. If SPY helps AMD could see 107 today. 108. Is NVIDIA green as well? Yes, NVIDIA's green. NVIDIA and AMD trade similarly. They're similar to each other. Um, so I took a short on SPY one day. This was about 2 weeks ago. I didn't notice the double bottom. This is 1 minute chart. We've only been open for 20 minutes, so this isn't as significant, But I'd be careful shorting SPY up here at this pre-market high just because we did hold this once again. So why the hell's my AMD chart not moving? I wish I could play music on here. Let's get Wall Street bets real quick. We're just watching for a minute. So I saw somebody yesterday. They lotted 12 grand on Tesla calls. So earnings, are hit or miss. It's like but if you see a stock doing something the day of, Tesla was down like $10 the day before earnings or the day of earnings. So you kind of knew something was up. So I look for that on these stocks to see which way it's going the day of their earnings or the day before, because that can kind of tell you something. We actually had some earnings yesterday. I'm about to check that out. Hold on. I can't find it. We'll check that out later. Have you guys ever seen, let's see here. Let's get a month, okay? Have you guys ever looked at the chart on the Great Depression? shit. Why don't they got. Our chart doesn't have SPY back that far, but. Imagine loading up on SPY down in 1994. Look at this monthly chart. I wonder if anyone even looks at the monthly chart. Alright, we're trying to hold this again. We rejected this again. So we're basically trading in a range. I need one more subscriber, man. I was at 60 and someone unsubbed. Here we go. Damn it. I was just pulling up put contracts. There goes SPY, bro. I need to see how much SPY moved yesterday. Okay, so we went up 432. Imagine grabbing the puts up there, 432. Pre-market high, pre-market low down here. I think we're gonna stay patient for a little while. Last week we had about 8, 9, 10 people in here. I'm trying to get some more people in here, man. Hanging out in chat, talking stocks, talking options, call outs, all that. We're trying. We're way ahead of schedule as far as been live trading 3 weeks. We got 60 subs. We've had some great days. We've had some great days in chat as well. So we're working on building that consistency. Just want to have like, if once I get to 100 subs, if I have like 5 to 10 people daily that just want to hang out, um, dropping knowledge, dropping option talk, all types of stuff in the chat, and then we'll be good to go. So that's the plan. These trading channels can get really big, and I'm not even worried about getting big or getting monetized. I just want to have some good people in here, which I already do have some good people in here. Just sometimes they're busy or they don't stop by or they're doing their own thing. Damn, dude, it's beautiful right here. It's starting to form a cup and handle, it looks like. OPEX today, OPEX today is a day to sit out whether you're seasoned or novice. So OPEX is when there's like every few months there's contracts that end on a certain day, like leap contracts, and so I'm guessing today is one of those days. Shit, what was I about to look up? I was about to do something. What y'all watching? Anything? Y'all got anything you're watching? Um, damn, Spy's dying. Damn it, bro. How big a move is that? It's only a $2 move. So, guys, I'm gonna go run my dog out right quick, and then we're gonna get busy. I'll be right back, guys. Oh my God, look at SPY dying. Wow. Um, our 424 puts from yesterday would have almost been in the money right there. We just hit 60 subs again. I appreciate you. Anyone who's new, everyone here, I appreciate you. What was I about to do? We haven't taken a trade yet today. Yesterday was insane. We had a 400% trade, a 80% trade, a 57% trade, 20% trade. Um, Shit, what was I about to do? All right, we got SPY down here by pre-market low. Let me see what my contract was worth from yesterday. I had a 424 put. I would have had to hold through some drawdown there. Um, we could take calls off this pre-market low here in a minute, possibly. That put is up. It's only 0% today, but from when I bought it, I think it's up about 20%. If bears hold us below this pre-market low, I could see 420 coming today, especially after what Powell said yesterday, the interest rate hike and all that. We want to find an A plus trade today. Today, my A plus trade that I really loved was AMD down here. Right after the open, relative strength against SPY. SPY down $2, AMD up $1.30. Would have been beautiful taking it all the way up to pre-market high. A $3 move, just about. So that would have been very nice. But we missed that. Sometimes you miss a trade. SPY's still going. Damn it. So when SPY is trending down or up or whichever way, sometimes obviously you would love to. So say SPY is down $3-4 like it is. We would love to find an area where we could take calls because them calls are going to be super cheap. But we don't want to be biased looking for the opposite direction and SPY just keep on dying the rest of the day, or we're too early on the bounce or whatever it may be. So I try to remain unbiased. Look for possible downside and upside. I'd like to see us hold here, possibly come up to pre-market low, and then try to run this thing back up, possibly to 420. At 426.50 is a big area. I don't know if we could get back up there, but I don't know if they're just gonna. I think we might see 420 today. Damn it. Just looking for the best area to enter a trade there. AMD falling now. That would be nice on AMD. Below pre-market low. 5-minute close below it. This is the pre-market low from today there. That's the pre-market high actually. So, damn. SPY's about to. Oh man. We had an amazing week. Amazing 3 weeks live trading so far. So, we're trying to keep our momentum going. We got a 93% win rate. We've been going crazy. All glory be to God. I'm thankful. Any day you can be humbled in the markets. So nobody is too good to be humbled. And trading, you have to be on your A game every day. If you're not on your A game or you're emotional that day or something, it's best to just take the day off. So that's my thoughts on today. Possibly 420 or 428.50. Um, like I would love to be able to buy calls somewhere because look, all this downside, them calls are gonna be so cheap. Let's look at some call prices right quick, and then we'll look at the Wow. Our TSLL puts, man. So they ran 125%. Shout out to NoremTrades for those. It was a way to play Tesla through the earnings without having the IV jacked up on the contracts. They're worth $125 now. I bought my contract for 25. 130 now. Wow. It would have been nice to hold that on at open though yesterday when it did open. It bounced really hard. I didn't know if it was going to get balled up or what. So if anyone else is in here, drop some tickers in chat. Drop some stocks you want me to look at. Any ideas? Any trades? Whatever you can. So let's look at spot calls and puts right quick. We're gonna have a guest on today, but it kind of fell through with the stream. With OBS Studio, it's a pain, so we're gonna have to try to use StreamYard and get. I want to get Professor on here next week. I want to get NoremTrades on here one day. I want to get my cousin at Ivy League Trading on here. Just trying to present some new ideas and content for you guys. Puts are only up 20-30% today. Let's look at the call side. Today is OPEX day, so that means I'm pretty sure that is when yeah, so it's an options expiration today. So there's certain dates. Say we were to buy SPY 3, 4, 6 months out, well, like every 3 months or whatever, there's a different expiration date for long, far out contracts like that. So today is OPEC, so there's a lot of contracts expiring today. So that can change things up in the markets a little bit. 427 call, $48. Still don't like it. I'd like to see us test this to maybe go short or close above to possibly go long. You need your risk to reward to be there. Our risk to reward with the long would be there. Look for 425.60 as a target possibly. And then downside, I don't have any levels down here. We could always throw in pivot points and things like that. We can always get more levels. So downside possibly 423.13 and then 420.47. Pivot points are a big help. I don't use them too often, but just to get some other levels, some support resistance. Always watch the EMAs, the moving averages. I have a video on my exact setup, all my moving averages, my VWAP, everything, color coded, everything just like mine. So if you use Webull, want to get your setup like mine. So I mainly use this chart to trade off of, and then I have my other chart, right, with the MACD down here and the RSI right here. We're oversold on the 1 minute just about. MACD could start to curl right here, so we could look for calls. Look at it on the daily as well. Okay. Let me get back to this chart. Damn. I'd like to see us hold here and look for a call position. Is there a pivot point here? No. I can't see what this is. Guys, let me run my dog out real quick so I can get rid of him real quick and then we're back. All right, we back. We back. Let's look for an A plus trade, man. Damn it. 1 2 minute chart. Okay, spot's trying to hold up here a little bit. We already got a good little bit of some downside. I don't know how much more meat is on that bone. We could still see 420 today. Why do people keep calling me, man? I'm so tired of it. So damn tired of it. Some nice buying there. We're not going to get faked out. Let's be careful. Anyone on here in the chat, please drop a ticker, drop a stock that you're interested in checking out. Any plays you're watching? All right. Spy got bought up, now selling off. We could see major downside still. I don't want to call out a play that I'm not highly confident in. This huge red candle is um, that's a sign of more downside because it got bought all the way up and then sold all the way off. Maybe we'll take a small put position on my Weeble. 422 put is $83. No way. 421 put is $53. We're gonna take a 421 put. Tight stop loss here. We might see a lot of buying. Okay, there's some selling. Sellers really need to step up, bring some volume in. Because if this thing holds, then we could see a nice move up. $420.47 would be the ultimate target for our puts. I took this very light. It's Friday. We're not trying to have a bad day and end the week. We've had 3 amazing weeks so far live trading. All right, we're about green on these. It would have been nice to catch the put position up there at pre-market high. Would have been beautiful, or even pre-market low again. So better late than never. We are up 3%. I think these could be in the money today. 421 puts. I have a habit of grabbing these contracts that are a few dollars out that are just always getting in the money. So calls and puts. Usually by the end of the day, depending on the contract I grab, it might seem like a good ways out, but 75% of the time they get in the money. And by then, half the time I'm already taking profit and already out of the trade. But with this one, we're going to take our time, not a lot of risk. It's a light trade. There's some buying there, down 8%. I expect us to maybe try to buy this up and then hopefully reject right here. So that would be our stop loss, 423.90. Could even average down. Averaging down can be your best friend. That's how you can really make some good money. Or averaging down on a bad position can really, really hurt you. It's happened to me a ton before. These contracts are going to start deteriorating soon too. It is after 10:30. What's Spy gonna do? What's he gonna do? Come on, man. We need to see some volume in here. Where's AMD now? AMD's still green on the day. Uh, I would like calls at pre-market low on AMD. After a while, though, SPY dropping, it could really bring AMD down, and the relative strength could very well go away. So, all right, back green on these. Flip this candle red. Let's see some major downside. Let's go, baby. 8%. If the dog barks, I just gotta mute up for a second. I gotta be careful with that. Don't want them barking on the stream. Damn it. Come on, SPY. You can do it. Need some sellers to step in. We're up 7%. Another winning trade. Finger on the trigger. I think these can be in the money, but do not want to hold through any drawdown because we could re-enter another position. So I want at least 10-20% though. Back break even. Here we go. Here we go with some volume. Come on. If she can't get going, it's going to get balled up, I feel. We need them to step in here. Need sellers to step in. Watch this volume down here. Still up 3%. Okay, here we go. Let's get a huge candle to the downside. Come on. It wants it. I can feel it. After watching price action so long, you just get like a feeling when you're watching these candles and you see a green one turn red or a red one turn green. You can just feel it. Yesterday, I knew SPY was going to get ran up just by watching the price action before Powell. That's why I grabbed a call. We're up 8%. We might have to take profit. They might buy this thing up here soon. There we go. 9% trade so far. Finger on the trigger. There we go. Beautiful. %12 trade. No bounce, no bounce. Come on. Damn it. Flip this candle red and we'll be in very good shape. The bears reassert their strength. Still up 9%, 10%. I'm trading this on my small account, so the little gains add up. fucking dog up there barking every 2 seconds. It's just lovely. If you're new here, we try to trade every day just about. I missed one day since live streaming. A 93% win rate so far. Might be 94 after this trade. They're fighting right here. Had a feeling it would get balled up, but I think Bears can reassert themselves right here if we can get them to close below. Let's watch the 5 minute, 10 minute. Keep this candle red. Still up 1%. I wanted that 12%, but I thought we could see a little more. Green is green at the end of the day. Break even is break even too. Negative is what you do not want. Especially if you go from being up 20% to down 20%, that's a big swing. It's depending on your size. Look at that. Look at that buying there. Now we are down 12%. Damn it. Hindsight is always 2020. I probably should have took that 12%. 17%. This will tell us a lot right here what this candle does, because I'm looking for some resistance here. We turned this green candle red earlier, so this could be a place for people to average down. I'm not gonna. This is a light trade on my small account. Still not confident in either direction that we're gonna go yet. Obviously, we're already down 0.6% on SPY today. Average move on SPY on a good day is probably 1%. So we could see another $2 a downside. We need to reject this hard. Get some volume to step in. Have some shorts step in. And that 13.5 put would have been so nice to hold. So really, today's the day to sit out with OPEX. Oh, we're back up 3%. Shit, I need a little more. That would have been a nice average down right here, but I was not confident in it whatsoever. They're going to try to hold this thing up right here. If they do, we'll close this. Down 2%. Back green now. Come on, let's get a nice candle to the downside. Nice candle to the downside. There we go. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. Up 5%. We might have to take this. Damn it. They're fighting right here. They're fighting. I can imagine this thing getting balled up all the way to here if we don't reject. This is what you love to see sometimes. You love to see who's going to win this war, the Bears or the Bulls. Is this where the Bulls draw the line in the sand and say, no, we're not letting it get down any further? This is going to be the low of the day. Or do the Bears say, nah, we're taking this thing down to 420? Or are we going to chop? Come on, baby, let's get that candle. Back up 8%. There we go. Are they going to step in or what? Finger on the trigger. Back up 10%. Shit. All right, we took that 12%. Damn it. Watch us really see some downside now after rejecting that. Damn. I would have held it probably another second. I would have took profit on that next candle, but I meant to cancel right here, and I would have tried to take profit. Who knows? Or it could have got bounced on me. not muted, am I? Damn it. We're about to miss some more downside. We're not going to chase here, but it looks like it's coming. But the bounce could happen as well, so. Shit. See what them contracts are worth now. 421 puts. Probably up another 20%, 30% possibly. Yeah. Damn it, bro. We'll mess with StreamYard later. Wow. Alright, what we doing, guys? What are we doing, man? Is this it for the day? AMD near pre-market low would be beautiful. If SPY could get down to 420, 80, 420, 30. Look at that on AMD. Beautiful short. You can play these stocks up and down and make so much money. Like, you don't have to be biased. $3 move up, $3 move down. It's beautiful. Check the 5-minute chart. let's see. Um, let's see if Bulls can get any momentum to the upside. Where's AMD? Kind of a dry morning, man. We can't be mad at the markets there. Yesterday there was a lot of chop, and then there was a lot of opportunity because of Powell. But the past couple of weeks, there's been so much opportunity. We can't be upset with it, man. There's so much opportunity every day. I made a video on how with two of my call outs, if you took $1,000, did the first trade, you would have made 20. And then if you put that into the next trade I called out, it would have been over 200K, which is insane. And then because I haven't lost all week, if you put that in the next couple call outs, you'd be well over 1 million. So like with this trading stuff, obviously you always want to practice risk management. I would never trade more than 5% of an account at once. But I mean, there's so much opportunity. Like there's people out there that literally like their dreams come true with this stuff. So that's what we're trying to make happen. Trying to make our dreams come true over here. Let's see what SPY's doing. If we average down up here, that would have been very nice. What was that? 423.82. Would have been a dollar move down. See if we turn that into resistance. Getting to be oversold on SPY on the daily. MACD is starting to curl. Might look for a long here after this. With a very tight stop. I want to see SPY hold up here. It holds up. We gotta bring Derrick Henry to Baltimore. Check Instagram right quick, see what's happening. This is Dana White here.
I laugh every time I hear people saying, yeah, I don't like working for other people, so, I want to work for myself because I want to set my own hours. Yeah, right. Let me tell you what, when you work for yourself, there's no Christmas, there's no fucking Easter, there's none of that shit when you work for yourself. In the early days, you're working.
And lastly,
Don't got too much going on here. Shorts are still holding it down. I gotta mute up, dog bark. Damn it. What's that 421 put worth now? I would like to see some upside so we can get, a bigger move. Damn it. I'm gonna take a 420 put. I wanted to take it before that candle. I got filled. We're up 5%. Now 2%. Now break even. Now -2. It's a lotto type deal just to maximize any move down further that we may get. If we do get to 420, that'd be crazy because these would be in the money. So my 421 I had would have been beautiful to enter at pre-market highs. While the pre-market levels are amazing. We're back up 3%. I'm watching this closely. Low risk trade, possible high reward. I just want to see us blow through this 422. I'd still like for us to see 428 possibly. We might hold this the rest of the day and just move our stop up. Up 7%. So you can catch trades like this. They're not always easy, but pretty easily these little trades can come, and you can choose to take profit or not. It's all in what you want to risk. A lot of volume here. We gotta watch for a bounce or some major downside, hopefully. Here it comes. Each move down, it's been struggling, but then she gets going, like up here, right around here, come down, struggle again right here, here, now here. We're up 7%, 10%. If you focus on just getting hits like this and not home runs all the time, the home runs will come. The home runs will definitely come. I don't want to sit in any drawdown, even though this is a light trade. Damn it. Negative 10%. Still like more downside. The market will hit people's stop losses and then go the other direction. They know exactly where 90% of people are setting their stop loss. All these computers, there's computers at every level buying these stocks, shorting them, so many different algorithms, all types of stuff. Negative 13%. This level here would be a possible stop loss. Should we average down like we did earlier, or like we should have earlier? That would have paid off. It's only 11 a.m. Jeez, today's moving slow. Moving very slow today. I want to see the type of volume that happens right in here with these candles. I want to see a hard rejection. I want to see that sellers are still in control. I like that. We're not sizing up today. OPEX and just a choppy day. Well, not really choppy day. A little bit, but we got a nice move down. That was the move right off. Not exactly off pre-market high, but close to it. It's a $4 move so far from pre-market high. All right, we're gonna be careful here. Even though it's one light contract, I do not want to have this thing run up on me. I, what I would like to see, I hope they're trying to trick people to the long side here, just to run it back down. That's what I would like to see. Let's check the 5 minute chart again. This could be a tweezer bottom here on the 5 minute. That could be a signal to go long, actually. We're gonna keep an eye on that actually right now. If we do get out of this short position, I do not want to enter another position. They're trying here, but can they do it? Yep, they can. There it is. Still reject right here, possibly. That's why we're not sized up today. For that exact reason. Look at the 5 minute tweezer bottom right here. That candle just clears, and that's probably why that candle took off like that. Um, I want to get out of this and possibly take it long, but I don't want to over trade. We're going to stay patient. Look at that. Look at that sell off. Need to flip this candle. That's why I put this line here, because this is some resistance and support. Support right in here. And it turned to resistance right here. Trying to make it support again on the spot. I think they're going to slowly run this thing up. We're out of this short. Not quite yet. Down 25%. We held through some drawdown on the other short play. Wonder if holding through this one would be good or bad. The one thing I don't like on the 5 minute is this tweezer bottom. Look at that reversal. As soon as that candle closed, that's when we got this run up, like right here. This isn't a level or anything. It's just some support and resistance. Just watching this price action, some support here, and then turn to resistance, and then so could average down on puts, but I don't like it at all because it's starting to hold this. Would have been such a nice short this morning from pre-market high, but we did catch. I think our only trade today was short. Did we catch a short twice? No. Shortest by once for like 12 or 13%. It would have been beautiful to average down right here, and then really catch more downside. So a very light position. Just just wanted to take a trade because I'm on here live, and possible risk to reward could be high. If we see 420, this thing could be in the money today. I tend to grab contracts that are $2, $3 out the money. A lot of the times they end up in the money. Most of the time I'm still not holding those contracts because I've taken profit. But I tend to pick pretty good contracts because all the time I look at the charts later in the day. That was in the money. That's in the money. That's in the money. Like, it just happens so often. We had an amazing week this week. We had like a 350% trade yesterday. Let's get in my YouTube real quick. I'll show you all the real. This is yesterday, okay.
Going all out when it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yo. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter.
35% TSLL. No, that's a $35. 125% TSLL put. That was Tesla put. Shout out NoremTrades for that. That actually ran 300% today. It's up to like 125 bucks. And $17 on AMD, 58%. $12 on spot. Another $13 on spot.
Won't say it, but he going all out when it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother.
What else? Let's check TSLL, man. So anytime you want to play Tesla and not deal with the BS on Tesla, oh my God. I don't even want to look at these contracts now. Shit. Imagine if I sized up on those. At a 13.5 put, they were when I bought it, it was at 14.50. They're at 155 now. Wow. That would have been like a 500% trade. Son of a gun. So this line I drew right here, this trend line, actually paid off because it looks like it's pretty important level right here. I hate when TikTok or YouTube wants to remove a video. Like, there's no reason that video should be removed. Are you shitting me? Another two videos got removed? That's straight BS, bro. Straight up. Let me delete it now. There's no reason that should have got removed at all. Watching for SPY to get ran up on. That level is still acting as resistance pretty nicely. If anyone's in here, please drop something in the chat and I'll be a little more active. Right now, we're just chilling, watching SPY. Ooh, there's some volume coming in. I want to see some major downside. Come on. Let's go, SPY. There we go. Alright, we're back green on this bad boy right here. Come on, let's get some major downside. When you have a low risk trade, you can afford to be patient. You can afford to hold through a little bit of drawdown. So it really helps you out in making sure the trade is profitable. Obviously, that can hurt you holding too long as well, but we like our chances. Sometimes you just, you're not always going to buy it at the perfect time, but you can still get the direction right. Need volume to step in, sell this thing off again. There's some nice downside. Beautiful. Our 421s would really be up now. We're only up 7% on this 420. Really struggling at this area. I'm making a TikTok. I gotta how to make your TikTok clips move quicker. More downside on SPY. Let's see what we're up. We're up 11%. That 421 would have been banking. I'm gonna run my dog out real quick and then wrap up in a second. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna end this stream, guys. I appreciate y'all stopping by. We just took 20% on our spy put. Um, we took profit on that. I appreciate everyone joining us today. Anyone that joined this week, I appreciate all my subscribers. Probably drop a video this week if I have some time, maybe trade recaps or something. I'm going to start doing some more tutorials, Robinhood tutorials, things for beginners, how to buy an option, what's the theta, decay, IV, gamma, things like that. So